So I went to the store and I was hoping they would have it. And they did. Feastables chocolate milk. I'm about to go home and try it for the first time. Heard it's the best chocolate milk ever. So, you know, let's go home and try it. So yeah, I got myself a Mr. Beast Feastables chocolate milk, protein, whole milk, a good source of vitamins and potassium. And I subscribed to Mr. Beast, so I got myself a cookie, and I got his Mr. Beast Feastables creamy peanut butter cups. I wanted to try the hazelnut one, but they didn't have it. Let's try the chocolate milk first, because I really love chocolate milk. It tastes like Feastables, but chocolate milk. Alright, let's try this here. I don't know if you can see that. It's backwards. Love the design of it with this logo and everything. Let's see. That's really good. And now for the last one. 7-Eleven cookie. Which is white chocolate chip macadamia nut cookie. Okay. Good cookie. Overall, a really good meal. This is really good too. Yep. W Mr. Beast. Hey, what's up, guys? So I brought another root beer. Because I'm going on a strict diet. So I figured, you know, might as well go out and, you know, get my favorite beverage ever. And I also got a Cactus Cooler. Let's try this one out. It's orange pineapple blast. This is a rare soda, you know. You don't really see this one out at your stores that much, but I'm glad mine has it because it's really good. I love this one, actually. I love this one a lot too. I really love this one, huh? Yes, I do. Actually, this one too. What's up, guys? So today I have some cherry Coca-Cola, 0 sugar, and some Wild Dock chips, habanero lime, spicy chicken, artificially flavored. Smells like the ramen noodle. It kind of tastes like it too.